Good morning, everybody, and welcome to this morning severe weather update. So, unfortunately, we have the likelihood of yet another tornado outbreak today across areas of eastern Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, southwestern Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, and far northern Texas, as we have a level 4 out of 5 moderate risk of severe weather in the red shaded area. We have an enhanced risk from North Texas through northwest Arkansas, most of Missouri, much of east Kansas, southeastern Nebraska in the orange, a slight risk in the yellow from central Texas through North Georgia, the Carolinas, and then marginal risk in the dark green shade area. And taking a look at our probabilities of seeing a tornado within 25 miles of a location today, we have a 15% chance of a tornado in the Oklahoma City metro area, Tulsa, up through western Arkansas, southwestern Missouri. This includes Joplin and southeastern Kansas and north of Dallas-Fort Worth. Make sure you're preparing now for numerous tornadoes and numerous strong tornadoes of EF2 or stronger in magnitude, especially if you live in this red shade area this afternoon and early evening. And have your tornado shelter plan in place. We have a 10% chance of a tornado touching down within 25 miles of a location across the yellow shade area, western central Missouri, eastern Kansas, far southeastern Nebraska, the Dallas-Fort Worth metro area of Texas, and just west of Oklahoma City. Make sure you're on guard for numerous tornadoes and a few EF2 or stronger tornadoes if you live in the yellow hatched area. This includes Springfield, Jefferson City, Kansas City, Wichita, Fort Sill, Wichita Falls, and Dallas-Fort Worth. Make sure you're on guard for scattered tornadoes if you live in the brown shade area, and isolated tornadoes if you live in the green shade area as well. Taking a look at our damaging wind threat, we have a 45% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location across southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, and northeastern Oklahoma. Make sure you're on guard for widespread damaging wind gusts if you live across the pink shade area today. This includes Tulsa and Springfield, and in this hatched area, we do have the potential to see wind gusts of 75 miles per hour or stronger with the storms as we go, especially into the evening hours. In the red area, we have a 30% chance of damaging straight line winds of 58 miles per hour stronger within 25 miles of a location. Make sure you're on guard for numerous damaging wind gusts if you live in the red shade area, the enhanced risk area, scattered damaging wind gusts in the slight risk area, and isolated damaging wind gusts in the marginal risk area. And we actually have a moderate risk for hail as well across central eastern Oklahoma, southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, west Arkansas, far northern Texas. You have a 45% chance of seeing quarter-sized hail or larger within 25 miles of a location in the Oklahoma City metro area and Tulsa, a 30% chance in the red, 15% chance in the yellow, 5% chance in the brown. And if you live anywhere in the hatched area, including Waco, Dallas, Wichita Falls, Fort Sill, the OKC metro area, Tulsa, Wichita, Springfield, Jefferson City, Lincoln, Omaha, and Norfolk, make sure you're parking your cars in the garage today, as you have the potential for golf ball to tennis ball to baseball to softball size hail in this hatched area today. Taking a look at our storm timing with the 12Z run of the HRRR model, storms will really initiate as we go into about 3 to 4 o'clock this afternoon across eastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, northwestern Arkansas, and northwestern Missouri. And then as we go into about 4 o'clock, we're looking at multiple supercells across the moderate and enhanced risk area, producing very large hail and tornadoes. Going into about 4 and 5 o'clock, especially southeast of Oklahoma City, a cluster of tornadic producing supercells is going to be possible. Same in areas of southeast Kansas, around Kansas City, north of Little Rock. And then going into a 5 and 6 o'clock, a line of supercells is expected to move through western Missouri, central southeast Oklahoma, central east Kansas, even northeastern Nebraska. Tons of large hail is expected with these storms. Like I mentioned, baseball, softball size hail is expected with most of these storms. As we go into about 5 to 6 o'clock, numerous tornadoes, numerous strong to violent tornadoes, especially in the more semi-discrete supercells, going into 6 to 7 o'clock this afternoon and evening. And then going into 8 and 9 o'clock, this is when we're going to have a major damaging wind threat across Missouri into northeastern Oklahoma, as we see a massive mesoscale convective system form as all these storms kind of merge together across the moderate and enhanced risk areas. Could be seeing a localized derecho across southeast Kansas, southwest Missouri, even central Missouri, northwest Arkansas, northeastern Oklahoma, as we go into about 7 to 8 p.m. this evening. And then going into 9, 10, 11 p.m., potential derecho pushing across south central Missouri, northwest Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, producing a widespread damaging wind threat. Going into 10 to 11 p.m. this evening, going into midnight and 1 a.m., could see this derecho push through the St. Louis area, producing yet another round of very dangerous damaging winds and potentially QLCS tornadoes as we go into 1 a.m. into the St. Louis area, as well as Little Rock, Arkansas. And then going into 2, 3, 4 a.m., the storms will eventually weaken as they push into Illinois and east central Arkansas. So make sure you're preparing now for an all-hazard severe weather and tornado outbreak today if you live across areas of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Arkansas, and northern Texas, and have your tornado shelter plan in place. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe and have a wonderful day, my friends.